Hi, in this video, I wanted to talk about how ReportingGuru can build custom Sage reports for your organization as needed. We work with pretty much every version of Sage out there: Sage 50, Sage 100, Sage 300, Sage X3, Enact, Sage Business Cloud, Accounting, Sage 200, Sage HRMS, Sage Construction and Real Estate, um, all versions of Sage. We just need to get access to the system, access to the data. We log in, build reports as needed, get feedback from you and your team, and then move on to any other reports that you would need. We work with all industries, manufacturing, um, financial, financials, pretty much every industry out there we work with.